Chapter 23: Paid Advertising, Fast Tracking Your Results. While SEO and organic traffic are fantastic for long-term growth, they can take months to really pay off. Paid advertising, on the other hand, can bring you targeted traffic within hours. If you want to test an offer quickly, scale an already profitable product, or reach a very specific audience, ads can be one of the most powerful tools in your online business toolbox. The key is learning how to use them strategically so you're not just spending money, but investing it. Paid advertising simply means paying to have your message shown to potential customers. The biggest platforms for this are Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, YouTube Ads, and TikTok Ads. Though there are others like LinkedIn Ads, Pinterest Ads, and X Ads that work well in certain niches. Each platform has its own strengths. Google Ads are great for reaching people who are actively searching for something specific. Facebook and Instagram ads are ideal for targeting people based on interests and demographics, even if they're not actively searching. YouTube ads can work like TV commercials, but with more precise targeting. TikTok ads excel at reaching people with short, engaging video content. The biggest advantage of paid ads is speed and control. You can decide exactly who you want to reach, how much you want to spend, and what action you want people to take. You can also test multiple versions of your ad to see which works best, different headlines, images, videos, or calls to action, and scale up the winning versions. The ability to test and adjust in real time is why paid ads can be such a game changer for online businesses. However, ads are not a magic bullet. If your offer isn't appealing or your landing page doesn't convert, ads will just waste your money faster. Before you spend heavily on ads, make sure your offer is solid, your messaging is clear, and you've tested it with at least a small audience. Paid advertising amplifies what's already there. If you have a winning offer, ads can help you scale quickly. If you have a weak offer, ads will just make you lose money faster. When setting up paid ads, the first step is knowing your numbers. This means understanding your customer acquisition cost, CAC, how much you spend to get one customer, and your average order value, AOV, or lifetime value, LTV. If it costs you $50 in ads to get a customer and that customer spends $200 with you over time, you're in a good position. If the customer only spends $40, you need to either improve your offer, increase your prices, or lower your ad costs. Another important concept is the difference between cold, warm, and hot audiences. Cold audiences have never heard of you before. They're the hardest to convert, so your ads to them should focus on grabbing attention and building interests, not pushing for an immediate sale. Warm audiences know who you are but haven't bought yet. Retargeting ads that remind them of your product, show testimonials, or offer a special deal can be very effective here. Hot audiences are past customers or people who were very close to buying. Sometimes a simple reminder is enough to close the sale. Retargeting is one of the most profitable uses of paid ads. These are the ads that follow you around the internet after you visit a website. Retargeting works because it focuses on people who already showed interest, which means they're far more likely to buy. You can set up retargeting on most ad platforms by installing a tracking pixel on your site. The beauty of paid advertising is that once you find a campaign that works, you can scale it almost infinitely. You can increase your budget, expand your targeting, or run your ads in new locations. But you should always scale gradually and keep testing new creatives because even the best performing ads eventually get ad fatigue, meaning people start ignoring them after seeing them too many times. Paid ads can be intimidating at first, especially if you're worried about wasting money. But with the right approach, starting small, tracking your numbers, and continually testing, they can become one of the fastest ways to grow your online business. The key is to treat them as a tool for accelerating results, not as a replacement for having a solid offer and marketing foundation.